In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage repeaters in Wix Editor. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process of locating and removing repeaters within your website. Not only will this help keep your website tidy, but it will also enhance your visitors' experience with a cleaner layout. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. After logging in with your credentials, you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you can see an overview of your existing projects. Find the website you want to work on and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This will open the Wix Editor, a powerful tool that allows you to modify various elements of your website with just a few clicks. Once you're in the Wix Editor, you might notice different components on your pages, such as texts, images, and repeaters. If you're not already familiar, a repeater in Wix is a design element that allows you to display multiple items in a structured and consistent fashion, such as a list of blog posts or a grid of portfolio items. Now, if you have decided that a repeater is no longer needed, or if you'd like to reduce the number of items displayed, here's how you can go about it. First, you'll need to identify the particular repeater you want to remove. This is an important step, as selecting the correct element is crucial. Simply hover over the various elements on your page and click on the repeater once you've identified it. You'll see a blue outline around the selected repeater, confirming that you've got the right one. Once it's selected, the process of removing it couldn't be simpler. Just press the delete key on your keyboard. You'll notice the repeater and all of its contents disappear from your page, giving you a cleaner look. Deleting the right element can streamline your design and improve user navigation. Always make sure to save your work after making changes to avoid losing any important edits. If, however, you decide you only want to delete specific items within the repeater rather than the entire component, the steps differ slightly. Instead of selecting the entire repeater, click on the specific item within it that you want to remove. Again, once selected, you'll just hit the delete key, and that particular item will be removed. This allows for a more tailored approach, offering the flexibility to customize your design to better suit your needs. By following these simple instructions, managing repeaters on your Wix site becomes a hassle-free task. A well-organized site is key to making a lasting impression, so take the time to review your layout and keep it aligned with your vision and goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.